one and all present over here. I am Vishal Kumar, student of BBA Batch 1 4th Sem. I am here to present a very vital topic, an emerging topic in the new era of generation, and that is the role of the vital role of the green logistics. So let's understand this topic. Introduction. What is green logistics? Green logistics is mainly first of understand what is logistics. It is the chain, or it is a kind of process in which the supplier or the person or any company supplies the product to you from the origin to the destination. And what is green in it? Using the renewable sources of energy, the green marketing campaigns, and all the things that are related and that doesn't harm to the nature, that is the green in that logistic. So what is green logistic? Green logistic, we can define green logistic as a logistic that mainly uses the renewable source of energy that doesn't harm the nature and also fulfill the demand of the logistic. Okay. So what are the things that considered under the green logistic? First one is the efficient route planning. First, let's understand what is efficient route planning. Suppose I have to go to Delhi, okay? I will choose the route that is that distance over 1114 kilometers or 900 kilometers. 900 kilometers. In India, there are different kinds of railway tracks that is meant for those trains that carries out the goods, and for those also that carries the passengers. So that route is being manufactured for the efficient utilization of the resources that manages the time as well as the fuel economy also. Green vehicle technology. The Patna Municipal Corporation mainly uses the green vehicles. For example, CNG, compressed natural gas, electric vehicles for managing the waste. The Patna Municipal Corporation mainly do the waste management of the cities. They mainly collect all the waste and manage that waste. Okay. So green vehicle that is being used, and the bus transport that is used by Patna city is also runs over CNG, that is compressed natural gas. So that is also an important part of the logistic, and company have chosen that technology to promote the sustainable growth of the global, or you can say India. Renewable energy integration. What is renewable energy? The energy that we can use like it never gets end. That is the renewable sources of energy. First, the solar energy, solar energy, hydropower energy, and wind energy. These all are the renewable sources of energy. The company can use those, like if I give you an example, suppose a warehouse is over there, okay? Instead of running that warehouse on the generator fuel technology, we can use the solar power panel to power that warehouse or to power that factory or anything. Eco-friendly packaging. What is eco-friendly packaging? Mainly 3 to 4 years ago, in the Bihar government banned the plastic uses. Okay, we promote the eco-friendly packaging, like you can see the malls that promotes eco-friendly packaging, and that also impacts the people, also people's psychology also that impacts. So why we are using the eco-friendly packaging? There is one reason, many of the packaging like carbon packaging, the plastic packaging that harms the nature at very high level, that harms the nature. So we use the eco-friendly packaging in the logistic that it doesn't harm the nature and also fulfill the work of the logistic. Collaborative partnership. Many of the companies are taking partnership, having partnership with those people or with those companies that are promoting the use of the green logistics. Like if a person is having a partnership with a person or with the company that is using the those technologies that mainly harms the nature, so that should be break over there. The partnership should be not continuous. We should do the partnership with that company that uses the green logistic or the packaging that doesn't harm the nature. So having partnership with those companies, initiative with those companies. Environmental impact assessment. In environmental impact assessment, we measure the carbon footprint of the product or the carbon footprint of the logistic chain. For an example, the plastic bag harms the nature. That doesn't decay over the years also. But when we use the packaging that is made up of jute bags, that doesn't harm the nature. That is mainly a natural thing. So we should count the how much it impacts the environment or nature. Innovative last mile delivery. This mainly targets the urban area. Suppose there is a urban area that the locality of that urban area is around 40 to 45 km is the radius or diameter. We can also use those bikes or those things that run over the battery. We can use that transport to complete that logistic work. We can also use the EV vehicle or CNG vehicles that mainly fulfill the need of the logistic. Future trends in green logistics. India is using 35% of the fuel that is made up of biofuel, renewable energy, and rest of the 65% is being also dependent on the oil and coal. But in future there is a chances or there will be upgradation that we will going to use the biofuel and CNG natural gas as much as an extent so that we could degrade or we can reduce the usage of dependency upon the oil as well as on the coal. Empowering change, that's what I have discussed right now.